Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw rainbow butterfly. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing and painting videos for kids. Like and share this video. Let's make it more prominent. Let's color together. Purple color. We are using rainbow colors. Dark blue color. Light blue color. Light green color. Yellow color. Orange color. And red color. Again rainbow colors to color the feathers. Red color. This is red color. Which color we are using? We are using red color. Good job. Orange color. This is orange color. Now yellow color. Yellow color. Light green color. Which color is this? This is light green color. Light blue color. Light blue color. Dark blue color. Purple color. Let's color again. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Light blue color. This is light blue color. Dark blue color. And the last one, purple color. Subscribe for more drawing and painting videos for kids. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.